Namaskar, myself Sunil Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 24th January 2024. This is the observed fog during past 24 hours. You can see that satellite picture indicate the fog from Pakistan to northeast India, especially over northern parts of India is showing. Here this is the visibility record. Here you can see the Punjab, East Uttar Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, entire Rajasthan, Bihar, Haryana received visibility in 25 meter, and over Jammu, Delhi, West Madhya Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh and Tripura, Assam received 50 meter visibility in morning hours of today. This is the observed weather. Here you can see the fog. I already told in satellite picture that red color indicate most places experience dense to very dense fog over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and in many places over Bihar, and isolated pockets, especially northern parts over Rajasthan, West MP and East MP, and dense fog over Jammu division, Uttarakhand, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Odisha. And this is the cold day, same as expected. Where the fog occurred, cold day also occurred. Here you can see that red color indicate the cold day to severe cold day in many places was occurred over Punjab, Haryana, entire Uttar Pradesh, in isolated pockets over Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and few places over that Uttarakhand and Bihar. And this is the cold wave in isolated pocket in severe cold wave over Punjab, and cold wave only Haryana and northern parts of northwest Rajasthan. This is the minimum temperature. Here you can see that dark blue color shows 3 to 6 degrees centigrade was occurred over Punjab and adjoining Haryana and northern parts of West Rajasthan, and 6 to 10 degrees centigrade over the rest part of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and adjoining northern parts of Madhya Pradesh. And this is the departure is also indicate that departure is between normal to below normal, except southern peninsular India where is the above normal departure. And this is the maximum temperature. You can see that maximum temperature was 10 to 14 degrees centigrade over the northern parts of India, which is indicate that cold day to severe cold day was occurred. Here you can see the departure also, that dot it shows departure is less than -5.1, which is indicate that this region received cold day to severe cold day in few places. This is the highlight of the presentation. Dense to very dense fog likely to continue over northern parts of India during next 5 days, and cold day to severe cold day condition likely to prevail over North India during next 2 days, and it is likely to decrease its intensity thereafter, and light rain or snowfall is also expected over western Himalayan region during 25th to 30th January. This is the synoptic system of today. Here you can see that cyclone circulation lies over East Vidarbha and neighborhood, another cyclone circulation over northwest UP, and one trough runs from south interior Karnataka to coastal south interior Karnataka to central interior Odisha, across north interior Karnataka, Vidarbha, South Chhattisgarh, which is likely to expected light rain over these region during next 24 hours. This is the warning for fog. Here you can see that during next 2 days, red color indicate over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, most places likely to expected dense to very dense fog in these region during next 48 hours, and reduce its intensity, special distribution from day 3rd, that is 26, 27, 28. However, dense to very dense fog also continue in this region in few places, and over especially over northern parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh is likely to expected dense to very dense fog in isolated pockets over 3 days, and later on it reduced from this region, and over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu division is likely to expected during next 24 hours, and Jammu Kashmir over Uttarakhand day 2 also. Other than no adverse weather warning over the region for fog. This is the cold day warning. Here you can see where the fog is expected, where cold day to severe cold day also expected over these regions, especially Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Cold day to severe cold days in many places during next 48 hours, and its intensity is likely to reduce. However, isolated cold day activities or to severe cold day activities likely to continue over these regions during next 5 days. This is the cold wave warning today, that is Punjab and Haryana is likely expected isolated cold wave to severe cold wave in isolated pockets. On day 2, day 3 only cold wave is expected over these region. On day 4, day 5 no adverse weather warning for the cold wave. Thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.